Hi, I'm AJ. I'm the founder of Foretelling, and today I will talk a little bit about Inklink, a platform that lives within Foretelling. With Inklink, you can share templates between projects or import templates from other users. What is a template? A template is a collection of attributes you can add to a story element. So over here you can see I have these attributes for character 1 that I can fill in. I can press this drop-down menu and I can select a template. You can customize these fully, but I will explain this in a different tutorial. So first things first is we go down here to project settings. We go to tools and we select the tool we want to modify its templates from. So we go to characters and then over here we can see the templates. Now let's say we want to import a template. We go to the plus button on the right and select Browse Inklink. Now the online Inklink platform will open up, and this allows you to browse the community templates, the official templates, or templates you created for yourself and that you want to share between your projects. So now let's say I want to open this drama profile. I select it and I can get a preview. So I see this user created this drama profile as the template. I can preview it, so I can open up the appearance, and based on this I can decide this is actually working for me. So I press the import button, I can confirm, and this will open up the Inklink template within this tool. What you notice is that this template is now locked because it is an imported template from Inklink. And what this means is that if the original user uploads a new version of this template, I can import it myself, and an import or an update button will appear over here. I can view the template once again in the online store, or I can unlink it, like I will do now, and I can modify these. So next up is, what if I created one? So for example, this spy character. I created my own template, and I want to share it with another project of mine. What I do is I click this button where it says Submit to Inklink. It will open up a pop-up and I will be able to add a description and modify the name of the template. By selecting this option, I can make this a private template on Inklink, and no other users will be able to reuse this template. It will only be for me. Let's save this, and now it's uploaded. If I make changes to this template, I can press this upload button and it will create a new version. And I can type in what changed and I can press the upload button. Now, on all other projects, I can import this template's new version. And by having one central template, updating it over there and importing in all other projects of mine, I can really quickly use different templates around multiple projects. If I want to delete a template from Inklink, I can tap on View on Inklink and press this delete button. And that's in short what you can do with Inklink. Good luck with your writing journey.